All right, so what I'm gonna be doing today is rewriting a headline here for a landing page that I have for a new coaching student, okay? I'm gonna basically go through this and then redo it, okay? So reframe this, and then obviously the training has to be a different video because the offer's different, okay? So I would say discover how we've created, discover how 314 regular people have launched their very own credit repair business in 30 days, completely done for them, without any credit knowledge or license. And we even fulfill the services for your clients, close the clients for you, and generate you leads. Okay. Now you're probably wondering, well, what else is after this? He put something here like, give me 5 minutes. So this is where I want to take this. Give me 5 minutes. Give me just 5 minutes or less. Okay. In this 5 minute or less free training, okay, you'll discover the one business that people need in no matter the economic swing or state, okay? And this is or we could say in this 5 minute or less free training, you'll discover the one business, done for you that people need in no matter the economic swing or state. And this is kind of where you're hitting that objection of do people actually need this? Now you're probably wondering, well, have launched their very own, and this is where I would add this, hands-off credit repair business in 30 days, and then completely done for them without any credit repair knowledge or license. This is what the copy would be, but then we still have scale fast, expertise, revenue, interest, right? So we have these immersive follow-up. Okay, so this is where you're gonna change this complete messaging. Scale fast, expertise. I don't know. I'm trying to think about what I would say here. I'd rather go to scale fast. Let me think about this. Scale fast is fine. I would just do something different here because it just looks a little weird. So scale fast. Okay, and then we would say something because now you want to get back to the whole done for you, right? Say done for you, where it's since this is done for you, the more traffic, you give us permission to run, more leads you get, more leads and sales you get. It's up to you and done by us. And then also you can say, this is not low ticket. So you're selling high ticket to people who need it. It's like selling water to someone who's dehydrated. Easy sale. So that'd be the first one. And you always want to use that analogy because it makes sense. People are sitting there going, oh shit, that actually makes sense. Okay, expertise. This is where you want to say something after helping, right? We can change this. After helping 314 people, successfully launch their first 10K month, we have proven systems, websites, pricing, social media posts, and etc. that make this effortless, right? So there's that. You want to talk about that. Okay. This is where you're going to be talking about the amount. So then you could say all right, it's not 3 million. You could say 7.8 million. Okay. And then what we could put here is just in 2023 alone, our business owners have already generated, or say this is how much business owners have already generated with this hands-off done for you, blah, 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 generated with their very own. And 0% interest, right? So this is this one with the 0%, that one doesn't really make any sense. I would do something where it's maybe you're hitting the infatuation of what do they not want to have to do, right? So no fulfillment, no fulfillment required or knowledge. That would make more sense. We do it for you since it's your very own, right? Since it's your very own, we do the fulfillment, generate the leads, we close them, and we handle it all, right? So that's kind of something that we could, we got to touch that up and whatnot, but that's what I would do. And then the free training obviously would be switched to go into this. So that's how I'd reframe an offer, just to be a lot sexier, because as much as you want to get people to understand, discover the shockingly simple secret of scaling your business fast, this 5-minute free training will show you how. It's curious because it's just one thing, right? But that trick doesn't work anymore because there's no specificity and they're not getting a skill set from it. So that's where I would completely reshape the offer This here, when you say even if your company is brand new, that's where like I would do something else here. Like even if you already have other businesses, that's what I would do instead. Because then I think like already have this business, like I don't want to get into this. Even if you already have other businesses, even if you already have other businesses, or work a job, right? You know what I'm saying? Like, or work for the man or something like that, to where they know like, oh shit, like I can do this no matter where I'm at in my life. Makes it better that way, right? So that's really the game. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, let's get it.